Therefore, me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Nancy maka because I told the bia na stories be back na ebia eyenkrata na make kan amamwa. Eya na nkrofo kan say Melodies. Nkrata ya walking kan on fan tre yen ebia na eyewa na tre say utrimu po wo de kan ensem nti sisi amaye ma adwen say nkrata bia ebeba ana story bia ye beye na nkrata bi eka ho a me de nkrata na betum anim na muniamu ehu na trese story no yaka ho asem. Now nkrata eda menim sisi amuniamu hwe e wo screen so eye ensem bia asofo baako 670. Yes. Wo munia wo monsa ehya ase atro nkrata na nkrata ni na to President Akufo-Addo. Na ade ansofo we eka ene say wo munhu bi da say President Akufo-Addo ne government na memwom wo munhu bi da say ye attack the body of Christ say na ban bi abaso a ase Christopher ne de ye gya omo asofo ye gya omo ba Akufo-Addo nkwa ne time trese de ensofo no I go through no eyade a enye. This is what they are saying. Enye me na me kasa show mo ano eno hunti e na me de nkrata no atomo anim na ya aye reading nkrata no na ya hwe de ensofo no eka. Now ensofo a ye kom asem the Association of Pentecostal and Charismatic Clergy womo ene de nkrata we aba into wosha the heading of nkrata persecution of the church will be one of your legacies. Omo person mo tre Akufo-Addo say wo ba abemu no de womo de be kan no se wo free abemu kra de womo de be kan no ene say wono ne time wo ba ye no wo attack ensofo na obebisa say Akufo-Addo ankasa de e na ode aye nsori because Akufo-Addo is one president a wono na waka say wo besi National Cathedral Emma Christopher bebre enigye ye mu bi babonte be ka say say National Cathedral no e ya de a ehu hia COVID-19 ono no ma Ghana for ye kai say President Akufo-Addo ono no ma Ghana for ye kai say was say ye bom paye atiase he actually made Ghanaians the Christian body we observed some days of a year fasting and prayers. Me hu se bibie so Ghana ma o mampanyi bia ye sada ntina ke ye kapa na President Akufo-Addo wa ya ade ama the Christian body. Now so insofo we etre said President Akufo-Addo were attacking the Christian and it will be one of the legacies. And you see, it boils down to in someone de biamekan. Ghana has say will be ewa baimu. Nani pa kone directly krano that person is not involved in something na ebia someone in his party yebeka say ye president no. Believe said the American no is making sense but the main reason why they are saying all these things enam Kennedy Japan attack asofo na nsen agenasare nsensem ene na wo model boss a mo omo cheche insofo no cheche e de akoto eye President Akufo-Addo so yen read the nsem no yen head insofo no eka was say persecution of the church will be one of your legacies. Was never have we seen in the history of Ghana the government launch a sustained campaign and attack on the body of Christ. Ensofo ene kasa. Yes, womo yensofo but yesre ensofo ni na no say womo ka bibi na entwa ya ye be correct enye ntre se womo yensofo nti womo ka bibi a ebia mistake enim. One, as far as I am concerned, the government as a whole, I have not seen any attack launched by the government on the body of Christ. But which my first paragraph, my first statement, almost say we've never seen in the history of Ghana a government launch a sustained campaign and attack on the body of Christ. As far as I am concerned, yes, there are some elements in the government. It looks like they are campaigning against the body of Christ and not against some pastors. But the government as a whole, I think, say the first statement there is a mistake with that. But what the young also was saying. It would not be in error to call this a government-sponsored attack on the church, considering the fact that the vitriol, considering the fact that the vitriol started with a presidential staffer then an MPP member of parliament, and recently the MPP Ashanti regional chairman, to mention a few affiliated persons. Was it the entire Wamoka say a government and I launched a sustained campaign on the body of Christ, and they say the Pakra was shasye say Walker asofu wansem a presidential staffer, and I don't know the presidential staffer they are talking about because someone boni pakuni din. Womuri no so they call MPP member of parliament. Aye na ye nim say Kennedy Japan wasem na womoka. Womuri no so they call MPP Ashanti regional chairman, who is chairman who to me into omo dia womo hwa ngrofo we a eye impenyifo e wo MPP mu nyina attack a body of Christ and not say aban na launch a campaign on the body of Christ. Was it these have been encored by the government's legion of social media commentators repeating these attacks. In a not so distant past, Ghana was known to be a very free and open country, a country that could pride itself with the ability of its citizens to live together peacefully, irrespective of their tribe, ethnicity, religion, or creed. As a matter of fact, Ghana had become a shining example of political, tribal, and religious tolerance on the continent of Africa. However, happenings over the past few years make it difficult for our country to still boast of those accolades of tolerance, intolerance, and an almost violent clampdown on dissenting opinion has become the new normal. Well, see, we have taken a slippery slope down the road of intolerance on all fronts. We are becoming a nation that cannot accept divergent views and opinions. A political class has emerged that believes that the right to act and speak on national issues is solely their preserve. We are gladly becoming bigoted to the extent that any commentary that expresses view contrary to that of the government is considered anti-government and one seeking to tarnish the reputation of the government, even if true. Now, at this particular point, there were more do and they say, "Embre by Ghana, kebi ma min kebi ne ye juma, ubi bekasa, ye be respected. Man so wende, nkrofo bi aye ne say dabi. Wo de wu nim na obekasa pe na asem na wo kana anko ye a, wo mo beba abonten social media no mo aba be attack you because omo susu say ugu aban ne ho fin, even if their wo kana say ye ne krekra." And these are issues I have said on countless occasions on this channel. Na me kan eya na nkrofo be target me say me ye NDC ni. But you see, as someone wa more cano, I don't agree with some of the things they are saying. But some of the things they are saying true, some of the things they are saying too, unless uyo be a one person of the it is the truth. In this country, omaya yetimu ende uko bia wano na bibi boni bisi na uko kampe ye better go say ye NDC ni, oh ye better go say ye opposition. And that is exactly what they are saying. Yes, for that one, I agree with them. Because I have said it on countless occasions on this channel. Say enyama bi wo wa sisi ano se ne aga na akwa kodu no ama nkrofo bebre ayekom omo nkasa wa asem bi ho. Because asem wa asebe e wo se mpanyifo e kasa wo ho no unnim na ba abonten be kasa. Oh, ye be ba abonten aba be keke bi atrel. Ye be ba abonten aba be keke bi atrel. Well, see, the church has been very influential in all aspects of our national development, including education, health, economy, security, social welfare, and infrastructure, to mention but a few. As a nation that has over 70% of its citizens being Christians, one would have thought that any government that really seeks to develop this country would do so in tandem with the church. Unfortunately, for almost 4 years, the church had faced stiff opposition from this government. One of the first things this government did after coming into power was to pursue almost every influential man of God in this nation. Strange and unimaginable inquisition of reverend ministers and bishops were vigorously pursued. Abai President Akufo-Addo so the first thing our motion has said so we say asophobia womo very influential Ghana has say ye shall say ye attack you. That was the initial attempt to seek to get depth of that was the initial attempt to seek to get debt of them and eventually use it at a point to blackmail them if they should dare speak up at any point. The next phase of the attack on the church was cutting crusade by Honorable by Honorable Kennedy Agyapong against so-called false prophets. The entire agenda, according to the Member of Parliament, was to expose the ills of the church. Obviously, the church as an institution is not infallible and without fault. Some people seeking beyond the supposed intention of the MP indicated that the initial victims of the crusade were not the ultimate targets, and that the actual targets were the pastors of the mega churches who had lots of followings and influence within outside Ghana. Was it the Pentecostal and charismatic clergy with a strong influence in the country was the target? The goal was to silence the Pentecostal and charismatic movement from any possible critique of government. Fast forward, the current state of affairs points to an unwritten decree and rule in Ghana that no one, be you a professional in your field of endeavor or a pastor, big or small, must say anything that disagrees with the government or the current ruling political class. This muzzling of free speech and opinion and a subtle attempt at censoring the clergy must be resisted with righteous indignation. Recently, there has been a calculated state-sponsored attack on one of Ghana's revered and finest bishop, Bishop Charles Agyinasare. It won't say our modiafa ede Agyinasare diano ababe boom. Won't say na nini na eko. Asemu. Emra Agyinasare na sembaye. I came out to give a warning. Say MPP communicators, mesre womo. We've seen. Say osofu be asemu womo kano. Just a way you be on penecre. It looks like that. Ebiana President Akufo-Addo has no hand in it. But that is what it is looking like. And that is the truth, whether you like it or not. Osofu be sorry now or criticize the government nepe. You get people on social media. Party people, party fanatics. And they can be atre Osofu no. It has happened in this country. Kennedy Agyapong himself has said, the reason why he attacked Bedu Kobi, and the reason why supposedly he did the investigation on Bedu Kobi, and they say Bedu Kobi shall say Walker Setia Akufo-Addo. Kennedy Agyapong akato. And so it looks like say Abanka Bibi now Osofu bi be kasape will attack Osofu no. Agyinasare dia sha say I came to give that warning, and guess what happened? You got people like Chairman Woon to me and a lot of people belonging to MPP on social media saying bad things about Bishop Agyinasare. Inti adia in software air canono. Say wo hwe senia ehya na wo mu aya e dia ba besi Bishop Agyinasare so. Was it his offense was he dared to ask a question in one of his sermons about the supposed financial sector cleanup. He asked if for some of the collapsed banks, could nothing have been done to save them from collapsing? This he asked among others. The government's communication machinery descended heavily on him with unprintable insults, threats, and attacks. As a follow-up to this, the Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council, which is made up of about 30% of the population of Ghana, issued a strongly worded statement to tell political leaders to call their people to order. Sadly, through the leader of the ruling government, who is also the president of the republic, turned a deaf ear to this call. On the contrary, a day after the GPCC statement, a sitting member of parliament, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, called the bluff of the GPCC and launched the most blistering attack yet on the bishop. Samoba Kaya, Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council statement a womo de ba abonten no me ba abonten e be kan bi tremo na asemo a me kan e say for me hu wo statement ne say entwa ye because ne your mind we mu e na Kennedy Agyapong attack obi nim ne Nigerians wo mo ankasa na ye kwakwa attack Agyinasare no mo aba abonten e be kasa so that statement a womo de ba no a me yes our story was so no eno one sem no mo kan say wo mo ba abonten e be kan asem no President Akufo-Addo infi wanya hwe about it. Womo be here and say saa day na womo be release statement na just afiansa Kennedy Japan de ne ho aba ne ho so a wo san so be attack more. Was let it be known that the bishop we know will not be deterred. He will not be intimidated by false accusations and lies peddled to denigrate his impeccable reputation. Huh? Ne credie e was a waka. One thing, and they say it was very easy for some people in MPP to disagree with Asamoah Agyinasare Wakan. I told you, say Kennedy Japan were back for the very first time. Ebe release documents ni nyama no. Meka say ne cre we de Kennedy Japan ayade. Say we responded to Agyinasare. Se mo be kaya meka wa channel we so. Say we de wa yade say we di need ma Agyinasare e kan say ebia na Agyinasare nim de ekoso nti wo betre Agyinasare me bo Kennedy Japan abaso. But some people like Chairman Wontumi etena wo mo radio so e de nsem to Agyinasare so say Agyinasare kra na sebe wo ne mba asore mba na nyama ededa. And so if you say this to someone like Agyinasare, if you say this to someone like Bishop Agyinasare, what do you think other pastors will think? Obviously, because one babonti ambeka say, oh, they are buying here, you know, as a entry year. Naka there is no way a Chairman Wontumi ebekwa koka say Agyinasare kra woni asoremba eda. Emma Agyinasare babonti be respond here say me worry ye Nyankopon kra nim say me nso wo ba bia mu kra da. Nan say Abrante friend Amrado wo ye ne we ya nan say wo ye o kan sa asem ne kra wom say Agyinasare kra wo say won fa ne nsanka wo bada. Inti inyama we ni esisi no enu na ema wo mo ka say President Akufo-Addo ne nsa ehya ase. But I've told you, because Wontumi tell me say Chairman Wontumi bekasa or be free President Akufo-Addo atene say oh asem we na mebeka na. I mean Chairman Wontumi is a man on his own. Asem a work na me nya sure say President Akufo-Addo has an idea into the Chairman Wontumi wo ba beka. But won say ni na ye wie ye no e President Akufo-Addo ne de akwa to ne so. So this is their statement on letter titintin a wo mo atraba. But see, some of these clergymen have been in ministry for 25 years, 30 years, 40 years and over. Adenti ena Akufo-Addo nkwa time. Wo mo aba chese wo mo chese. This is what they are saying. And this is the letter right in front of you. And they say melodies na mama wo hwe brofo a wo mo tro ya. Yes, brofo ni bi kra no menti ase. International melodies na me makotina baby na. Na me yes say me the letter never bremo. Na mo ankasa mo ehu. So this is the letter they've written. Wo mo ka, wo mo de sobo president no. Mo try mo adwo comment box ni mo me da say.